Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and this layout I am doing for Mixed Media Mayhem, and this week we are using acrylics, gold and neutral. So my neutral is my background paper. My acrylics are, I'm going to find them. I don't have much in the way of acrylics, so I'm going to have to make this work. I have these really old little acrylic pieces in green, so they're probably going to stand out, but I'm going to make it work. And they spell the word wizard, so I was really lucky that I could come up with that word with these acrylics, because I don't have a lot of them. So there we go, there's my word wizard in green. Nothing else is going to be green, I don't think, but I'm going to have to make that work. My gold, I'm using these gold flakes, which I've had forever and a day, and I hardly ever think to use them. And we do believe they came out of a small jar, and you take them out and they just expand like buggery. Anyway, so that's going to be my gold. And yeah, my neutral is my background paper. So I have a general idea of what I'm doing. I haven't planned anything out. I know my heading is going to be magical moments. And that's probably as much as I'm going to get out of that packet for this layout. But I also came across these cool glasses. So I'm going to try and incorporate them as well, if I remember. I've got black letters if I decide I need to make another subheading or something or other. I had this, but I got from a charity shop, and it's a really old Jolie's. Remember these? Jolie's boutique stickers. And I thought, well, the hat I might be able to make work. I don't know. But I can probably make the diploma and one of these, probably that one little banner thing work. I don't think I can make that a wizard gown. I don't know. We will see. But I also came across this packet of embellishments, which is just gold, grey and black. Don't know if any of them are going to make it onto the page, but there are cool feathers, which, you know, the pen they use in Harry Potter. So possibly I could use them. And then I came across a bag that I got at a charity shop full of different odd ends embellishments. And someone obviously didn't like the... or didn't want the range of embellishments from, I'm pretty sure this is a Uniquely Creative collection, steampunk or something, and there was a heap of them in there. So I went, well, I can definitely use those, and we can make it a steampunk sort of theme as well. And there was a word on there I want to keep out, magical, I found, and an arrow. And then I just found these cards that I had printed for different things, and they're sort of like the same colours as the jigsaw puzzle. So I thought, well, maybe I can make them work. Apothecary bottles, wizarding potions. I don't know if I can make that work. I can fussy cut a few out maybe. We will see what happens. I had this cool key, and I thought, well, that looks like something that you would find in... Harry Potter, Hogwarts, so that might land on the page. And then I just got gold puffy hearts. So anyway, that's my array of things that I am using. I've also got these two papers for my background are from my 100 pattern papers, the challenge I'm doing, to use up 100 pattern papers. So look on my channel for the video where I talk about that challenge and go through the 100 pattern papers that I chose. Alright, so anyway, I'm going to speed you up, and I hope this works. So we will see. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, there is my completed page for Mixed Medium Mayhem, where we had to use acrylics, gold and neutral. So my neutral is my background, and my embellishments, most of them are pretty neutral. Browns are neutral. My gold is the gold leafing that I put on. Oh my gosh, that stuff makes a mess. I've got gold absolutely everywhere, and yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the rest of that. I mean, I hate throwing things out. That's probably why I got such a packed craft room. But you know, it has its uses, and yeah, I'm just not so sure. I don't know. We'll see whether I keep it or not. Anyway, and what else? My acrylics was my word wizard, and I had to add the green little banner here to bring in a little bit of green, because I've got green here. I know it's a different green, but it blends, and I'm going to go with it. So that is it. If you have any questions about anything I've used, any challenges or anything I'm in, please comment below. And if you have, oh sorry, I've got gold everywhere, oh my gosh. If you have liked this video, like this layout, please give it the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.